So this right here, a photo of a butterfly silhouette. Silhouettes are going to be the simplest type of image to trace inside of CreateSpace. And that's just because we have a very sharp contrast between the background and the foreground. And it's going to give CreateSpace a really good chance of tracing what you want to trace. So in this example here, a very simple image. Silhouettes are great image types for tracing. So let's go ahead and show you how we can do that inside of CreateSpace. So I'm going to show you two examples of the same image, just different image types, meaning that we have a JPG to try out, and we also have an PNG to try out. The PNG has a transparent background. So let's go ahead and go up here to the trace. I'm going to click on it. This window will appear. And I'm going to click Choose Image. I'm going to do the PNG first and click Open. Again, with Monochrome selected, you can see that CreateSpace really did do a great job of getting the shape. Sometimes your PNG files, and PNG files only, will have a transparent background. And to get an even better trace on those, you can click Use Alpha Channel, and it will rescan the image with those new parameters that you just selected, and then you can click Update Preview to potentially even get a better trace. Now with a simple image like this, the alpha channel really didn't make that much of a difference, but I wanted to show you what the alpha channel would look like on a JPG file. So let's go ahead and select it. Here's my JPG file. I'm going to click on Open. Notice that CreateSpace automatically unchecked this for me. But if I try to check it, it cannot find the alpha channel. So remember that alpha channels will only work on PNG files. Anyways, I'm going to uncheck that. I'm going to click Update Preview. And then I'm going to choose OK. And now I have the butterfly traced utilizing CreateSpace's monochrome tracing.